All right, so this is my third go. This is my third go at doing this, for recording this video. It's starting to piss me off now, my third time, because both other times I had myself on mute. Even the second time I didn't fix it. But anyways, so first thing we're going to talk about here is my funding traders account. I blew the account. Terrible. Uh, Whatever. Sucks to suck. Says I haven't blown here, but I guess I have. Whatever. It says, I don't know. Anyways, if you reach, I reached daily loss threshold, so whatever. It says I failed it, but I knew my trade was going good. Only thing that didn't go good, I guess, was the fact that I made a mistake on my contract size. So basically, I put in too many contracts, and it went down. I was on a bullish run, so I went for longs there, and before I had the chance to go up, it went down. Didn't go to my stop loss, but I miscalculated on my how much my stop loss was. It was above my daily loss limit, and I guess because it went there before going up, I would have won the trade, but it stopped me out at daily loss limit. So whatever, sucks to suck. Anyway, second thing is I have my Lucid trading account, 25K. This is probably my sixth account. Also sucks. Whatever. Gotta lock in, figure this out if I want this to pay off. So, anyways, other thing is we're gonna go through this trade I spotted today. Didn't take it because school and pre-market. I mapped everything out. Everything looked beautiful. The only thing was I needed to wait for more confirmation after New York market opened at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, but I couldn't do that because of school and periods and changing shit. Um, Whatever, sucks to suck. So um, we are in all-time highs, so we need to keep that in account. So with that being said, we're always assuming bullish until proven otherwise. So off of the this blue line is my okay, we'll just previous day high and get rid of that now. That doesn't even matter. Previous day low as well. Whatever. But yeah, we're at all-time highs. We're bullish. Just fucking around with the Fibonacci, whatever. Huge fair value gap right here did not get retested, might retest later on. If we go into the 4 hour, same thing. Fair value gap right here didn't end up getting retested. Over back into this one. This one I thought it was gonna get retested, but it didn't. Came really close here. But again, we're still proving bullish market. I was just waiting for market to open to see what we were gonna do there. Let's go into the 1 hour. Same thing, market opened around here, around this huge big move up here. So if we go into our 15 minutes, this is where we'll be able to see everything. Okay, and let me turn this down just in case. I'm genuinely gonna throw a fit. I'm not restarting this video, whatever. Okay, anyways, just keep in mind everything I just said. Anyways, this is what's most important. Session lows and highs. London market gets swept out by pre-market, New York pre-market. We come down here. We have a low time frame for value gap here, gets respected. SMT one here. There's another SMT right here I didn't mark out. As you can see here, the SMT, TSMT. There's another smaller SMT here. so many things showing us bullish market flow. So basically, I was waiting for market to open. 9:30 approached this big white candle right here, and we got the sweep on Nasdaq. That's what we got, the sweep on Nasdaq right here, 9:30, and we got a bullish SFT right here. Bullish SMT right here, sweeps out off of this inverse fair value gap, reacts, huge reaction. From this, we get our new range, which was formed here. Mark the high and the low. New range was formed. Came down into this new range. One sec. Alright. Anyways, came back and retested that. I was going to trade on ES because on the S&P there, because it was showing way more bullish confirmation. The big S&P here was showing, plus the sweep on low time frame just gave me more confirmation off of this inverse fair value gap. Anyways, going to the 1 minute. All right. Try to explain this. Okay. It was something like this. Yep. So reversed on that. This is where I would have entered off of close of this candle, I believe. It was something like that, yeah, because we got our inverse fair value gap here. So we swept the lows. We're waiting for inverse fair value gap. We never get it for a little bit until right here. This one, actually, it's this candle close right here. Candle close right here. Then we aim for all-time highs, which we were already at. So at that point, we're just on a bull run. Don't know where to aim it really, so I give it a little bit of risk to reward ratio. I'd probably end up giving it, I would have ended up giving it a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Something like that. But yeah. Anyways, that's the trade that I caught. Didn't really catch it, but kind of looked for it afterwards, but it is what it is. Anyways, yeah. Peace.